Hey guys, in the previous video about trading with the superhero strategy, I shared my experience with you regarding which types of accounts are best suited for manual and automated trading systems. As for superhero, this system also requires good trading conditions, just like any other system. If you want to achieve high efficiency, of course, it's better to use accounts with tight spreads. But that doesn't mean you can't use superhero on other types of accounts, including standard accounts. In the next lesson, I'll explain how to reduce the system's dependence on large spreads. But in this lesson, I'll show you how to install the superhero system on your MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Let's get started. So guys, the superhero trading system consists of two main parts. There's the superhero indicator, which analyzes the market and shows us trading signals for when we should open trades, and the superhero utility, which I give to every buyer of this system for free. And this utility helps us manage these trades. Now I'll show you how to install this on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. So, after your purchase, you receive an archive from me, a special archive. Once you extract it, inside you'll find this folder, MQL5. This is what your window should look like after extraction. This is the folder you will need to move next. And now, what you will need to do is move it. To find the correct location, we will open the Open Data folder option, which is located in the upper left-hand corner of the platform. First, let's go ahead and open up the internal directory that belongs to the MT5 platform. Now, positioned right alongside that, we are going to carefully place the MQL5 folder. This is the very specific folder we need. Now, if you take a close look, you will notice that there is an MQL5 folder located here and also an MQL5 folder located over here. To begin, simply grab the folder you want to work with. You can do this by clicking and holding down your mouse button on it. Next, while still holding, drag it across your screen and then drop it into an empty space within the platform. You will see that it immediately disappears from its original location and simultaneously moves over to the new destination you selected. This entire process is designed so that the folder you just moved will automatically merge its contents with the corresponding folder you already have available in the platform. To double check, so you can see that everything is installed correctly, you then open MQL5 on the platform. Look under Experts, and here you'll find Superhero Utility. And now, moving on, inside the Indicators folder, you will find the complete superhero trading system. However, please remember that if you purchase this particular system on the MQL5 portal, then it will be located for you within your personal purchases area. That's a slightly different location. I'll show you exactly where a bit later. But to double check, at the very least, you should have the superhero utility in Experts. That means you did everything correctly. When I update this system, I will add a few more indicators, which buyers will also receive for free, and they will be added to the indicators. So you'll have a few more indicators here. But for now, let's just close everything. You dragged MQL5 into the root directory. Everything has been connected for you. Here, we just go to Expert Advisors and refresh. Just in case, we go to Indicators and refresh as well. This way, the system appears in the internal directories of the MetaTrader 5 platform. Here it is. Super Utility has appeared in the Experts folder. And if we open the indicators, we can see that the Superhero trading system has appeared here. If you bought it on the market, on the MQL5 market, then the indicator will be here. Market, My Purchases. Here, Indicators. In these indicators, you will have Superhero. But since I am the developer and I didn't buy it from myself, I just installed it. So for me, it's here in Superhero, in this Indicators folder. Alright then, now that you have fully double-checked everything, and you can see that you have it available right here inside the platform, and more specifically in the navigator. Here is the particular folder we need to access. So now we are going to open the View menu and work from here inside the Navigator branch. Look, we open the Navigator and get access to this system. And for what to do next, see the next lesson. I will show everything step by step so that you don't get a big jumble of information in your head. So do everything step by step along with me. Right now, we've just installed it into the platform. That's it. These indicators indicators, and the utility have appeared in the platform's internal catalog and are now available for selection.